Hi there, thank you so much for joining me today. Are you a business professional and required to travel to Canada due to a business meeting or a convention? Luckily for business visitors, they do not require a work permit in order to travel to Canada. A business visitor is defined and classified as a foreign national who enters Canada for the purposes of participating in international business activities. The foreign national must also not participate in the Canadian labor market. Of course, depending on the type of work that is conducted in Canada, as well as the foreign national's country of origin, certain business visitors may require a work permit in order to work in Canada. However, I will be talking mostly about business visitors and the eligibility requirements in order to come to Canada as a business visitor. In order to qualify as a business visitor, a foreign national must meet the following criteria: will only stay in Canada for less than 6 months, will not enter the Canadian labor market, main place of employment, business, and source of income must be outside of Canada, must have the required documentation in order to support their application, must meet Canada's entry requirements, such as having a valid passport or travel document, having sufficient funds in order to support their stay in Canada and to return back home, must plan on leaving Canada at the end of their authorized visit, and must not be inadmissible to Canada. There are many business visitors that come to Canada for several different business reasons. For instance, a business visitor may come to Canada to attend a business meeting, important conference, a convention or a fair, and much more. There are many other examples, such as a business visitor coming to Canada to purchase Canadian services or goods for their foreign company or organization, taking orders for goods or services, providing after-sales services, being trained by a Canadian entity for work outside of Canada, training employees within a Canadian subsidiary for a foreign company or organization. If you're participating in any of these activities, then you may qualify as a business visitor to Canada. Even though the business visitor may not actually need a work permit in order to enter Canada to work, they still do need proper authorization in order to enter the country. Therefore, depending on where they come from and their country of origin, they may either need an electronic travel authorization or a temporary resident visa in order to enter Canada. If you believe that you are qualified as a business visitor, it is important to take all of the information that is mentioned in this video into consideration prior to applying. If you do need any help with the application process for a business visitor, we can definitely help you out. And remember, with Akrami & Associates, there's always a way.